There's a new quick way of adding checkboxes to your spreadsheets. Let's take a look at it. So I have a spreadsheet here that's a to-do list, and I have just some sample items in it. And the new feature is in the Insert tab. So I just click on Insert, and it's this checkbox under Controls. And I just click on it, and then I get a checkbox. There we go. And if I wanted to do a few at a time, I can just highlight them all and click on this checkbox, and that's it. Really easy. Now, if this is not available for you or you don't see it, then what you can do is you can look at the manual checkbox. This is the way I do it, and when I have a spreadsheet where I have to do a lot of check boxes or tick boxes, then I tend to do it this way. I select them all, and then on the Home tab, I choose the font of Wing. There we go, almost. And I have a few Wingdings. I'm going to choose 2, and then it's the capital letter P. And that adds in my checkbox. Now, because this is a character, it prints really well. It's easy to use. So you have the checkbox where you can click on it. Great, works. And then you have a manual one where you actually have to add a letter in. Okay, so there's 2 ways to add a checkbox. If you have any suggestions on other ways you can add checkboxes, do add them to the comments below, or if you'd like to suggest any topics that I cover in my videos, then do add a comment below. If you found this video helpful, useful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.